Gary, thank you very much for the invitation to Greenfield Engineering. Could you tell me a little bit more about your company?
Yeah, Greenfield Engineering was formed in 1989, very small cottage industry business back then. I joined in 1993 as an apprentice and have grown up with the business from then. We moved to this site here that we're on now, 35,000 square feet back in 1998, and the business has been heavily invested in ever since. We also have 10,000 square feet on a second site, predominantly for powder coating and final assembly.
Predominantly your sheet metal fabrication, is that correct?
Absolutely, yes. Precision sheet metal, subcontract, contract manufacture. We're not a jobbing shop, but we are quite prepared to do low to medium volume. But the machinery that we have, the investment that we've made, mean we're also able to do larger volume if required.
And what typical sectors do you work in, Gary?
We do an awful lot with office furniture, lighting, vending, general electronic enclosures, and anything really that requires precision sheet. We also have an extensive fabrication area here for spot welding, MIG welding, TIG welding, aluminium as well. So all areas really.
I can see that there's a big investment in tools here, Armada machines, Salvagnini machines. Is there anything new here?
Yeah. The business is going through an investment program as we speak. We've just installed a new cell, which is the up-to-date latest Armada CNC punching machine, fully automated with loading and part picking, and 2 new press brakes to go with it.
So does that offer a lot more capacity, and you're looking for more work here?
Absolutely. The business has a growth plan over the next few years, and that machine and acquisition was all part of it. Well, we live in a fantastic part of the world, but skilled sheet metal engineers are few and far between. So we have an extensive apprenticeship program, which we've been running now for many, many years. I was one of the first, and the business has really grown on the back of that now. We have something like 16, 17 on site as we speak, going through level 2, level 3s apprenticeships. So we have to build our own skill into our workforce.
Now, on behalf of Vero Software, we're here in reference to Radan CADCAM software. Now, you spend a lot of money on this technology, but why Radan?
Radan has been our partner since the first CNC machine came into the business and run all of our front-end equipment. It was a fairly straightforward decision for myself, really, when it came to it, when we evaluated all of the systems out in the market. It made the most sense. We've also it manages to integrate with our ERP system as well, with some of the logistic products that we've purchased as well. So they've been a key partner for us in the expansion of the business.
When investing in the machine tools that you have here, Gary, does Radan give you the benefit that you can program not necessarily at the machine?
Yeah, absolutely. That is a key point with their software. We're predominantly Armada and Salvagnini here, but who knows going into the future what machinery might bring, and Radan are able to support with post-processors and program all of those machines, all of the manufacturers that are out there.
And what makes Radan especially different? You've got the CAD-CAM package, but there's something else, isn't there?
Absolutely. We recently invested in the logistics product, which really well links in our ERP system, our MRP information demand, and works very, very well with their CAD-CAM package. So we're able to control our work issuing, what we're making, when we're making it, with the use of that logistics product.
So I presume time saving equals cost?
Absolutely, yeah. Through minimization of work in progress, a minimization of lead time to ultimately give the customer an overall service which is best quality, best lead time, best cost.
And in reference to the backup, what backup do you get from Radan if there is a slight problem?
Absolutely fantastic support, both telephone and on-site if required. They were here for the full install of the latest Armada equipment to ensure that it was seamless between the Armada side of the software and the Radan programming of it.
Gary, thank you very much indeed.
No problem, thank you.